So class, today we start our new chapter, real number. What is real number? Real number is the combination of all the numbers: rational number, irrational number, positive number, negative numbers, whole numbers, natural numbers. So I make a chart like this. You understand all the numbers. So a real number having the two types. First one, the rational number, and second one is the irrational number. After that, what are the rational number? Rational number is a number which is in the form of the p upon q. I think you all are studied in class 9th also. A number which is in the form of the p upon q is called the rational number, and a number which is not in the form of the p upon q, where q is not equals to 0, I think you all remember, then this number is called the irrational number. If p upon q, where q is not equals to 0, is called the rational number, other than all these numbers are called the irrational number. Now we go for the rational number. After the rational number, having the types. First one is the fraction. A fraction is there, and here we have integers. First one fraction, second one integers. I think you all know what are the fraction in the form of fraction, like p upon q, s upon r, z upon t. All these are the fraction, and integer are the negative, the combination of the negative and positive numbers. They are called the integers. After further, the integers are also divided. Integers divided in also two parts. That first one is the whole number, and second one is the negative number. Where whole number is start from the 0, the number which start from the 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 up to infinite, and the negative numbers are from the -1, -2, -3, -4 up to the minus infinite. So these are the whole number and negative numbers. Again, the whole number is also divided in the two parts. First one is the 0, second one is the positive numbers. The another name of positive numbers is also, I think you all know that, natural numbers. So these are the chart of the number. Natural number start from the 1, 2, 3, 4 up to infinite, and 0 is the separate now. So this is the chart of the real number. You have to make in your fair notebook. After that, we start our topic, our first topic, that Euclid division lemma. This is our first topic, Euclid division lemma from the chapter. What is it? Euclid division lemma. A theorem is there. Proof is not there, only a theorem. Euclid, you have to note this one also. What is the Euclid division lemma? Theorem 1.1. Euclid division lemma: given positive integers a and b. Euclid division lemma: given positive integers a and b, there exist unique integers q and r satisfying a is equals to bq plus r, where the value of r is more than 0 and less than b. I think you get something, but it is difficult to understand. What is saying that given positive integers, two positive integers given to you, that a and b, everyone have the unique integers like q and r. We can write in the form of the a is equals to bq plus r, where the value of r is from more than 0 or equals to 0 to less than b. And what is the a, b, q and r? This is the Euclid division lemma. The first one, a is equals to bq plus r, where the value of r is more than is equals to 0 and is less than is equals to b. This is the value of r. Now what is the A, B, Q and R? I think you can easily understand from this one. this is the A, this is the B, this is the Q, and the remainder. I think now you understand what is the A, B, Q and R. A is the this one, B that this one, Q and R. Quotient, remainder, dividend, divisor. I think you all know now what they are. So these all are A, B, Q, R. You have to write this theorem in the notebook. Look at it carefully. This one, I sent the picture also of this one, so you can write easily. After that, after writing the theorem, you can start from here. An algorithm. What is the algorithm? Write the heading algorithm and start from the here. An algorithm is a series of well-defined steps which give a procedure for solving a type of the problem. Means a series is there which it is used for solving the problem. So this is the definition of algorithm. And what is the lemma? A lemma is a proven statement, means it is already proved, used for proving another statement. It is used for proving another one. The lemma, a difference between is there, an algorithm and lemma. In algorithm we have to prove, in a lemma already proved. Now after that we start our first exercise, that 1.1, this one. And here we can use Euclid division algorithm to find the HCF. When I do the question, you will understand how we can use it by finding the HCF. So use Euclid division algorithm to find the HCF of first part we will do. So let's start. Now look at this. This is your first part. Question number 1, first part. 135 and 225. We have to find the HCF of by using the Euclid division algorithm. How can we find? Listen, look at it. Which one is the minimum number? 135 is the minimum and 225 is the maximum. So it will come inside. 225 will come inside and 135 will come here. Listen carefully and look at here carefully. In the table of 135, 225 will come one time or two time? I think around one time it will come, or two time. What do you think? I think it will come one time. In two time it will be more, 270, around 270 will come. So we will use the one time, 135. So 5 minus 0, that now here we have to take 12 minus 3, that 19, 1 minus 1, that will be 0. Now look at this is your division. Now in the table of 135, 90 will come. What do you think? In the table of 135 it will come 90? No, it will not come, not possible to you. So here it will be changed. Now this is your that outside number and this it will be the inside one. That 135 will come here. Now again you have to do the same thing. Okay, one more thing I will write here, algorithm steps also with it. So it for easy for you, algorithm steps. Like this one, A is equals to BQ plus R. Now for the first one, step 1, what is the A? Inside one is the A, that 2, 2, 5. What is the B? That outside one. What is the Q? Q is what? 1. And what is the remainder came? 90. This is the first step. Now after that we will write second step. Now again, here A is what? 135. B is 90. Now I will write afterwards. Now in the table of 90, 91s are 90, 92s are 180. So again one time, 91s are 90. Subtraction we have to do, 5 minus 0, that is 5. Then 13 minus 9, it will come 45. Now it will completed 1, and remainder, what the remainder came? 45. Again it is stopped. In the table of 90, 45 will never come, never. So again it will be changed. 90 will came here. Now we have to do again step 3rd. In the table of 45, 90 will came, I think. 45 ones are 45 and 45 twos are that 90. It is completed. 0. So whenever it is completed, it is stopped. You have to do till now. Now here is what? 90, 45 into 2 plus remainder is what? 0. Now what is the HCF? HCF of 135 and 225. The final one, which we can do this one, the final one, this one, the final value of B. The final value of B is called the HCF. HCF of 135 and 225 is 45. I think this is clear. This is the Euclid division algorithm. You have to do this one. One more part I have. The second part I will do. 196 and 38220. This is the second part. Again I have to do the smaller one, this one. So 196 here, 38220. Algorithm steps. That A is equals to BQ plus R. Step 1, A is what? 38220. B is what? 196. Now Q we have to find. Now listen, in the table of 196, how many times that we have to take 382 up to 382? So we have to do the divide around, it will come 195, because 2 times it is more. 195, sorry, 196 will come, 95, not 196. 1 time is 196 only. So do the subtraction, that 12 minus 6, it is 6 only, and 7 minus 9, not possible, we have to take the carry from there. That's 17 minus 9, 8 will come, then 186 will be that remainder. So now look at this, because 2 is left in the table of 196. 186 will not come, but 2 is left now, so it will come down. Now it can go. Now we can say it can be go around, it will go 10 times 1960, and 9 times it will came around 9 times it will came 1764. 1764 will come, I think. It is right. And we have to do the subtraction after that. The 12 minus 4, 8, then this one, it will come 98. Again 0 is left, so 196 it will come 5 times. 5 times 980, so it is completed, I think completed. So this is completed. We don't have anything to move it here, so only one step is there. 196 into B is what is the B came? 195 plus R is what? 0. Finally 0 only here. So what is the HCF? HCF of 196 38220 is B value. What is the B value? A is equals to BQ. Final B is 196 only, is your answer. So this is your answer. Now one more part is there, that part is your homework. Third part, same only. Third one, this is the third part, is what? 867 and 255. Do it. So in the next class I will tell you the answer also of this one, or you can ask me in the group also what is the final answer. Solve it. Okay, thank you class.